To see Wi-Fi password on an Android phone, there are basically two methods depending on the type of Android phone you have. For the first method, you want to open up the settings of your Android phone, locate the connections option, which should usually be at the top. You want to tap on Wi-Fi over here. Proceed to click on the settings or gear icon just at the right hand side of your connected Wi-Fi. And now you should be able to see your Wi-Fi password. If you tap on this eye icon over here, you might be required to enter your password, pin or pattern to view the Wi-Fi. If you do not see it from over here, at the bottom you should be able to see the QR code option, or the option for you to even share the Wi-Fi network to any close by device. If you tap on the QR code option, again you'll be required to enter your password, pin or pattern if you have any, and now you have a QR code which you can scan to view the Wi-Fi password, pin or pattern. At this point, you can go ahead and save it to your phone's gallery by tapping on the save image over here, and then you can decipher or read out the QR code by using websites that actually open up QR code. An example is the web QR code option over here. From the website, you can tap on this camera icon over here, proceed to upload the QR code which you have actually saved on your phone. Just open up the Files app, and this is my QR code. Tap on it, tap on the done button, close up any ads. And just over here at the bottom, you should be able to see the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password, which is represented with the letter P over here. But if the settings of your Android phone is quite different, like the one I have over here, this is actually a Redmi phone, you also want to go over to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and in this case, instead of selecting on the arrow icon on the right hand side, you want to just tap on the Wi-Fi you are actually connected to, and now you should be able to see the Wi-Fi name at the top and the Wi-Fi password just below it. If you're only given the option to scan the QR code, then you can just screenshot the QR code, use the web QR scanner option again, and you're good to go. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.